this is a thumbnail?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do you want me?
I'm thinking if I go down low.
All right.
Alright, so we're out here at the Desperado. This is Matt from Demolition Ranch's resort. This is his 5-ton behind me. Like, this thing is huge. Thinking about it, I'm about 6 foot.
Well, that's what you're sitting in it. You're on board.
Like, that 5-ton is absolutely massive. We're about to eat some good barbecue. It's really hot, but I think we're gonna have a great day.
Do you know if this pig has its eyeballs? Huh?
We're using it for bait.
Can I reserve both of them to eat them?
If they're in there. Oh, really? If they're there, I'll come find you.
I'm a blue canopy right down there.
Done deal. Done deal.
Seriously?
We'll get it on video for the YouTube.
Being serious.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Thank you.
Alright, this is Matt's smoker. This is what started everything for the Desperado Meat Fest, was Matt getting this guy. So they used it for some sausage, but this is a baby compared to the other ones that have been out here. Still super cool to see.
So big. Talk to me now. What are we looking at? Where's the keys?
Lovely golden color. What's your name, man? Absolutely. Okay. Jacob. Jacob. Nice to meet you. All these black things, is it a plug-in as well?
I'll be second. That's perfect.
Sierra, man. That's perfect. Now, 2 hours more. Let's pick the other one.
What do you think of the first review on the barbecue that you tried?
It's pretty good. The chimichurri is really nice. I'm more excited for a little bit later though. I have a feeling it'll be pretty good.
The brisket and the sausage?
Oh yeah. I can't wait to have those wieners in my mouth.
Yeah. These are the apartments.
Why are we here?
Up at the Desperados, these are the ones that when they're renovated will overlook this field and then the river.
I actually want to upgrade my skill.
Oh yeah, we're on the river on the Guadalupe at the Desperado. This is Demolition Ranch's barbecue event. This river is super beautiful. They have everything really well set up. They got tubes that you can rent, so you can take these and they'll pick you up and drop you upriver, and you can float down. It's like a 30-minute float. And then this is by the main barbecue event all the way down. Really beautiful property. From Matt's video last week, the water levels are, I guess, back down to normal because we're not at like 12 feet high. But super cool. Those are those apartments that have been in Matt's videos that like overlook that field on the river. So the event is down in that field. And I am currently standing in the river.
Everybody's watching. Look, Don, you're missing the speedo guy. Hey, a swamp. So tired. Should I get still on here? Okay, there we go.
This place is absolutely beautiful. Like up there behind me, these are some of those apartments that they're busy renovating that will overlook the river. And this is the Desperado Meat Fest. There's people that have like all their tents back there. It's really cool. They had the merch there and a bunch of different barbecue. And then down on that side behind me is the river. So we were in the river a little while ago, like super beautiful, nice and refreshing. It's like 102 degrees, I believe, today. But everything is really well done, and I'm really impressed with them. That like Matt has really done a good job of getting everything out here. It's smoothly run. Everybody really is just having a good time. The people are friendly, and overall, I'd recommend coming to any of his events.
Thank you. I hope we get to do this next summer. This song right here that I'm about to sing for you guys goes out to these fine gentlemen, these men and women out here that are working, all the blue-collar workers as well. This is a special song, sending up a prayer. So to our first responders, our medical personnel, nurses, doctors, police officers, firefighters, and most of all, if we have any military personnel that serve our United States of America, this song is for you guys. Thank you so much. Thank y'all for having us, man. Gentlemen, thank you. I think we got the picture. Y'all enjoy this last song. This is called Blue Collar Prayers. And it goes something like this. This is for y'all. My name's Clay Hollis. Thank you for hanging out with us.
So we're still here on the Guadalupe. This river is just so beautiful now. There's a lot less people. It's later in the day, so a lot of people have gone out. But the event was really good. Band just wrapped up. Food was good. I mean, there was some barbecue left over, but everybody seems pretty full. I haven't heard anybody say that they didn't like anything, so the guys that cooked did a real great job. But yeah, this river is just beautiful, and overall, I would 100% come to this again.
made a mess.
Why is it so dusty here?
You made a mess.
How'd it look?